What does a good website do? Or, put another way, what's the difference between a good website and a not very good website? It's definitely a question that I hear a fair bit, and I want to answer it here. But let me first say what a website doesn't do. Unfortunately, no matter how good your website is, it is not an entire marketing plan on its own. No matter how good your website is, without at least, some work for search engine optimization or something to drive traffic to it, you're not suddenly going to launch your website and have the world banging down your door. I wish it was the case. It's not the case. But a good website should be the hub of all of your marketing. It should be all of your different marketing efforts should lead people to your website. So, and the reason is because a good website is what I call a conversion machine. A good website takes someone that's heard of you and they're interested and they want to learn a little bit more, and it turns them from that interested party into a customer or a client. This is true for any small business, but it's especially true for a private practice. Your website is the place where you can make the most compelling argument for working with you. Your website is the place where that is outlined. And if someone's gotten to your website, then they are wanting to learn more. A good website does a really good job of making the case and then driving that interested party towards taking that action of making that first step, reaching out to you, and becoming a new customer or client for you. If you'd like to learn more about good websites, if you'd like to have Shire Digital build you a good website, or see our course on building your own good website, I'll put some links down below. You can always send me an email at projects@shire-digital.com. Thanks.